this, do go ahead, smash that like button. Let me know what you think of this crazy experiment in the comments. And of course, subscribe if you're new. This is exciting. I am going to make one normal egg bounce, like literally bounce. You don't think you're ready for this? Let's go. Back in the famous kitchen, of course. Where else would we be with an experiment? Okay, you are literally only going to need 2 ingredients. Ingredients. That's all you're going to need. It's very simple yet fun experiment. What do you need is the question. An egg, of course. Just a normal British egg. And water? No. Vinegar. You need vinegar. Look at that. Distilled vinegar. That is all you need for this experiment. Let's get to it, guys. So you need a cup or a jug or something. Put your egg in it. Now you need to pour the vinegar until it's covered, which is there. So we've covered the egg. Now all you need to do now is leave it for 24 hours. Yes, guys, 24 hours. A very, very simple experiment, but what is a very fun one. Why does it bounce? I have no idea. All I know is that it bounces. So that is why I'm doing this experiment for you. A bouncy ball egg, because that's what's going to happen. It's going to bounce like a bouncy ball. This is going to be so fun, guys. You need to be making sure you are subscribing if you are new. Turn your post notification bell on, because if you don't, you will miss out on any future uploads. That is how it works, guys, and that's how it's meant to work anyway, because YouTube's not working. I think we broke YouTube. But either way, do all that, and you've got more chance of seeing my uploads. There we go. So I will see you in 24 hours. Welcome back, guys. 24 hours later. Correction, 25 hours later. Boom! Gave it an extra hour. Why not? Now, as you can see, it has evaporated. Come away from the actual egg, the shell. So guys, all you need to do this now is take your... Oh my god, that feels so weird. Like literally a rubber bouncy ball. Oh, it's horrible to touch, it's horrible. It's not even an egg no more. Oh my days, oh my days, oh my god, oh my god. Right, so we are just scraping all this off. Look, it's literally coming off. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. This is so strange, so strange. It's really weird to touch. And obviously you've got your actual egg is still inside. So all the shell that's come off, it's with the vinegar, it's had a chemical reaction, and it's just, well, it's a bit messy, but it's just come away. I'm gonna wash my egg and come back to you in one momentum. Here we go. Are you ready for the amazing bouncy ball? Bouncy egg, should we say? It actually bounces, guys. You roll it, of it like a bouncy ball. So, but I've got my knife because I just want to show you a little fun experiment. Now here is the egg and I'm just going to cut into it as normal, and I'm hoping it won't go everywhere or any further over Did you see that? Oh my god. That is rubber, I swear. That eggy bit, the yolk, not the yolk, the egg white is rubber. That is actually rubber, it's like a balloon. And then that is a normal egg. I mean, you could cook it if you wanted to. That is just a normal egg, you could cook that. That was pretty awesome, guys. That's just a normal egg. That's your egg. So don't pay any attention, that was just me messing. But yeah, I appreciate it so much. Smash a like, let me know what you think to this crazy, amazing, scientific experiment in the comments. And of course, subscribe if you're new. You can see from my reaction, I've never done that before. That was just a first initial reaction, and that was crazy. That was so fun and so cool to make. So yeah, that is great. There's a lot more experiments coming your way on the channel, so yeah, don't forget to put your post notification on if you like them videos, and you'll get notified of all my videos to come on the channel, because I'd really appreciate that. So I shall see you in the next one. Wow guys, this was so fun to make. Go and trick your loved ones, your friends and your family with this bouncy egg ball. It is so fun. Do go ahead, smash a like, let me know what you think to this crazy trick in the comments, and of course subscribe if you're new.